Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. In order to put an application on full screen, you have to first open this application and then either double tap the tab bar of the application to put it on the full screen, or use this icon right here and then use it again to demaximize the window, or you can just hover over this icon and then select the full screen mode. And this way you can put your applications on full screen. To exit this mode, just hover over at the top of your display and click right here. And that's how full screen mode works on this laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.